turn the power on.
No, you're not checking my windows.
Huh?
You're not checking my windows.
You get a window tint ticket.
Okay, then just give me the ticket.
I need to measure the window
No,
tint.
I'm not rolling up my windows, no.
I'm sorry?
I said no, I'm not rolling up my windows. Like, I know they're illegal. I bought the car like 2 weeks ago.
Okay, so roll them up.
How? Where are the keys?
I have the key right here.
The key needs to be in the car.
It's in the car.
Dude, it's not working. It needs to be in the
roll
car.
Roll the window up now.
No, I can't, dude.
There you go.
Okay, there I go. Check it. Check it.
Stop it right there.
No, can I get somebody else out here, please? Because I'm not doing nothing with you. I need somebody else out
You're
here.
being so difficult, man.
No, I'm not. Dude, can I please have somebody else out here?
Roll the window halfway.
No, not till somebody else comes out here.
Sorry?
Not till somebody else comes out. You can call another trooper, another county police, whoever. Like, I've been trying to work with you this entire time. Not even, I can cut the camera off.
That's fine. I'm
Not even cut the
recording as
camera.
well.
Okay, that's cool. I don't care. But the thing is, dude, you walked into my car. Like, respectfully, you was being a dickhead. You walked into my car, you not know, you know, I put you over, you know what's going on. Why would you just say, give me the keys? Like I asked you, said, why do you need my keys? I didn't care.
Is there a reason why you running around with the...
Dude,
I don't know that.
Son,
I don't know that.
Look, I'm trying to be real with you, right?
Okay.
I do a lot of car shows, okay?
Okay.
I do a lot of YouTube. So, only reason I have the tag, I can show the video, I just got a tag installed 5 minutes ago.
Okay.
Literally. I have the tag on because that YouTube videos, a lot of people, like, they look at people's cars.
Let me ask you something. Are you a cop?
No, I'm not a cop.
All right, so then you won't be